A day will come when I will tell my story of how many times I failed, the pain I endured, the sleepless nights, and the hard work I put in. How I was looked down upon, treated poorly, and how I almost gave up but still kept pushing. I didn't know what tomorrow might bring, but I knew that what mattered most was to keep pushing today, hoping that one day I would reach the top. Every small step forward motivated me to push harder and never give up. Sometimes it got so tough that I had to remind myself, this is a test. Life is testing my strength, my resilience, and my ability to hold on. It's testing to see if I'm truly ready for the bright future ahead. When they said, life is the best teacher, they were right. It teaches you lessons you can't learn in any classroom. It doesn't bring out the worst in you, it brings out the best, if you're willing to learn from it. Whatever you're going through right now, remember this. Life is preparing you for something greater. As long as you don't give up, you will make that dream a reality.